Hello viewers and friends, welcome to my channel BST African Electronic Surgery on a Friday. I can't wait for the weekend, and we have something to fix. Usually I'm not like uploading videos fixing cell phones. Why? Because the faults which I usually come across is so boring, like screen replacement jobs, battery replacement, digitizer, things like that, changing charging ports. Those are the most common jobs on cell phone repairs. Actually, 99 of the faults, you don't really need the electronic knowledge there. So we do have this iPhone 6 Plus, which was booked in as no power, and I think we can plug in the charger. Want you to pay attention to the current here. Now it's 00 because we didn't plug anything. Plug in the charger. Let's see if we have any change of current. No, still at 00. No charging sign. Even if you try to power on the phone, it's not turning on. So what do you know by now? What is our conclusion about this fault? I will say either we have a faulty battery here or a highly discharged battery, and the phone is possible not to respond, or something on the motherboard is not right. But let's see what's going on exactly. Let's see if we can fix this iPhone. Some of the subscribers, they ask about cell phone repairs. Cell phone repairs, it's not a big deal there, because 80% of the faults you can do it without any knowledge of electronics, except a small part where electronics is required. But most of the jobs you can do it without any knowledge. Our screws are out, so how do we take this one out? I forget to take out the SIM reader. That's the SIM reader. Now let's try to open up our phone. If you can. Easy to open. Easy to open. So that's the inside of the phone. We do have a battery, rated voltage 3.82, fully charged 4.2. Okay. Max current 2.9 amps. So let's check what voltage do we have on the battery. That's the first step. we need to know the kind of voltage that we have here. Let's check. Minus, plus, like 0. Really? Maybe my probes are not touching, but I don't think so. So this battery is like 0 volts. Let's come with power supply and see if we still have a good battery here. Let's come with some 4. Let's lower the current to 2.9 amps. Max current 2.7. That should be okay. Let's charge this battery quickly. If it's still in good state, you can see it's taking max current and the voltage just dropped to 3.8, 3.85, 3.86, 3.87. So our phone is charging, but that cannot give us our assurance that this is the fault. We just want to bring the battery to normal charging range so that we can see if that can solve the problem or we still have more problems. So I'll charge this battery and we can test together what's going on there. Let's charge again a little bit. You can see on the screen it's taking 2.8 amps and the voltage is rising a bit by bit. We started with like 3 point something volts, now is 3.36 volts. So 3.37, you can see 4.37 volts, 4.36, 4.37, the voltage is rising. So why this battery is 0%? Maybe the customer, I think we can test to see if we have if that was the problem or we still have many faults. But according to me, why the battery got discharged, either the customer left her phone unused for a long time. You can see the epilogue. Seems as if it's working. Let's see if it's taking any current. That's very important. We still have 0. Let's just wait. Let's just wait and see what's going on here. So it's very possible if the phone left unused for a long time, it's very possible like to have a highly discharged battery. You can see, check on the current. Pay attention to the current here. 4.96 volts, 0.95, close to 1 amp, which is fine. The phone is trying to power on, so let's just be patient and see if everything is okay here. And our phone is on. Let's see. So our phone seems to be working. But this is a sign of but this battery is no longer good. Of course it's working, but it's no longer have the capacity to hold the charge. Soon as I unplug the charger, the phone goes off. So I think I have to close up everything, and we'll speak to the customer for battery replacement. Was this battery died due to long stay without using the phone. Got discharge until a point when it goes to completely 0%. And we speak about how the batteries they are working. If the cells inside the battery got highly discharged, the charging IC will speak with the processor that something is not right here, and this battery will be treated as a bad battery. So that's the thing. The most important thing is that we notice the problem. That is the most important thing. Our phone is working. You can see all the apps. It's working fine. There's no user password there, and it's charging. It's taking around now. It's now taking around 0.5 amps. You can check here, 0.57 amps. So what I will do, I will leave this phone on charger, and we'll see if we still have a good battery. But I have too much suspicious that this battery is no longer good, because now it's now at 9%. Let's unplug. the phone is switching off. So clearly this is a bad battery, but I'll try to speak with the customer so that we can change this battery. So have a nice weekend, guys. See you on the next replay. Bye.